What's up everyone, welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you about how you can go and find out that website which you're working on and you're going to promote that website, how you can go and find out that your website is responsive for mobile or not. So there are different kind of screens. Like a Mac screen for desktop, it's very huge, but when it comes to TV, it's more huge. But we have to go and find out how it looks in the normal computer desktop, in your laptop, in your iPad or tablet, in the mobile phone. That should be responsive. So that needs to have some impact. So Google, when find out, like Google crawler, it is going to go and find out that the website is working fast in mobile phone and it's working fast in your desktop browser, then your website is going to have higher chances of ranking into Google. So let's go and let me show you how you can go and find out that your website is responsive in your mobile phone or not. So there is a simple method, that is you have to go and right click on it, click on inspect element, and there you have a mobile phone inside that. If not, it's not coming like that, just double click on it. This is how your website is going to look like. You just have to go inside this tab. Remember, I'm using Google Chrome for showing you how it has been done. I believe you are using Google Chrome for your web browsing. So what you have to do is close this one. It will go away. So what you have to do, go back, click inspect, and there you have your website. So for that, what you have to do is scroll down, and then you have your mobile screen. So it is responsive. So if you want, you can go with testing in iPhone X. This is how your website is going to look in iPhone 10. Trust me, it's not that long, so make it a little smaller. Alright, so click back, go with iPad. So this is how your website is going to look in iPad. Click on iPad Pro. It scales again. So there you can see 1, 2, 3 products options are there. If I go with iPad, 2 options are there. If I go with iPhone X, 1 product is there. So whole website changes in different resolution. So we just tested, it's in the browser, which is this. This is the browser. If I go inspect element, this is iPhone, that is mobile phone. You can check it in a pixel as well. So this is iPad, that is tablet. So we tested the website, how it is going to look in different way. If you want, you can go and click on edit, click on responsive. You can define like whatever screen size you like. You can just go and scale it and you will find out how it is affecting. Just now you just saw that text is coming up, down. So that's how it works, and you can go and find out how it works. Another thing, you can go with landscape, portrait. So this is iPad. This is portrait, this is landscape. You can go and find that out as well. So I'm going to go and close back. Now this is the browser, how it looks. Now I have to go and find out how much time does it take to load on the web. So for that, what I'm going to do is, there's a website named as Google's developers. So I'm going to go and Pagespeed. It is purple because I most of the time visit on that. So what you have to do is go back to your website, just go and copy that one, comes over here and paste it over here. Just click on analyze. It is going to go and load the website, and it will go and show you how much time does it takes in your desktop browser and how much time does it take in your mobile phone. It all depends of how good it is and how bad it is. If it is ranking which is in red color, that means it is taking a lot of time. But when it comes to orange color, it's good. If it's green, it's best. Okay. So this is shown inside the mobile phone, and it is going to go and take the screenshot of each screen. How much time does it take to page the whole page? So it took time over here, and then it loaded this page. Now it's very quick. It's like a second. So you can go and say it's fine with it. So if it should be green most of the time, but it's fine if it takes orange. If it is red, you need to go and do something fixing on that. All right, so it is saying property page size is there, it's taking time for the images to load, and you can go and get the details, all of that over here. So when it comes to desktop computer, you can go and find out how it's very good. When it comes to desktop computer, it's green, so that's a plus point for it. You can go and find out, like, one screen goes on, you have to go and find out rendering it was good. Everything is in front of your eyes, so you just have to go and find out wherever the problem is there. Just tell the developer that what's the problem, how you can go and fix that. It's kind of a fixing the problem, and if the website is good, it is going to help you to boost on Google. But these are the free tools which I showed you. Now there is one paid tool that is going to go and help you out with that. Now, in order to make the website rank, it's kind of a testing for your website. So all of the website linking should be good. If it is linking good, it is going to go and affect to the Google crawler that your website has good linking, so it is going to go and give a good response to Google. So it is going to go and index it in Google's front page, so that is much more better for you. But when it comes to broken links in a website, for example, this is my website. If I click on About Us, there is About Us page, but sometimes what happens in the middle of the page, there is a call to action page. If I click on it, it is going to go and respond to my contact form, but there is no contact form and there is some broken link. Like, for example, there must be social link that is going to go and link to the Facebook, but sometimes what happens is after the website, people just put hashtag and they think it should respond good, but it's a broken link, and Google is going to go and put a bad mark that this website is having broken link and it is not going to respond so well. So make sure to go and click on each and every button on the website. There should not be any broken link. When it comes to testing it out, you have to go and test it out by yourself, or maybe you have a company that has a tester inside your company that is going to go and help you out with ranking on Google. But if not, I just showed you how you can go and test that out. Now, if you want to do, you can go do it manually. You can go and use your physical phone, go to your website and see how it looks. How much time does it take? It just showed you like it's good with mobile phone. Go and test it in your mobile phone. But what you need to do is use Chrome. You can go and click on Firefox. Another browser you must be having is Edge. Like 3 browser I already have in my desktop computer. So you have to go and test it out all of this place. If not, these are like free tools how you can go and test that out. But I'm going to go and show you browser stack. This is the paid tool. What you have to do is click on the browser stack. This is the paid tool. I know this video is going long, but you have to go and find out that browser stack is going to go and help you out, and it is going to save a hell lot of time in order to make your website rank, and how it's like half of your work is done by browser stack. But remember, it's a paid tool, it's not a free one. So what happens is, I used to sit just beside the tester. I myself is not a website tester, but I used to get all of the details from browser stack, and he used to use browser stack. What it does is you have to go and see screenshot. If I click on screenshot, I can enter my URL and say generate. Now it's a paid tool. I had not signed up, so I'm not going to do that. But as you can see, it is going to test in all of this one iPhones, and all of the Android phones. When it comes to Windows, it is going to test on Edge, it is going to test on Chrome, it is going to test on Firefox, it is going to go and add Opera as well. You can see the operating system, you can see how many browsers it is going to go and test. These are all the versions of which your website is going to be tested. It is going to test it in Apple as well, so it is going to test lot of time. You can go and find out. It is going to go and come with screenshot as well. Now if I go and click on responsive, you can go and find out the testing of the website. It is going to be in iPhone 10, If I go with Galaxy Note 10, this is how it is going to look in Galaxy Note 10. This is how it is going to look in Galaxy S9 Plus. If I go with iPad Pro, this is how it is going to look. So it just gives you real life experience of how it is going to look in real device, and it actually does this very quickly. It's a paid tool, that's the reason they are taking money. You can go and test it in your landscape as well, landscape, portrait, whatever you like. It also has the option of Kindle, which like most of the people don't even use Kindle, but I have some Android application which is been downloaded on Kindle, so people do use Kindle as well. So you have to go and focus on Windows, of course, Windows and Mac OS 10. So you just have to go and find out how your website is going to look in different models. It's kind of a testing thing, but it helps for your browser in order to rank your website. I know this is a paid tool, but make sure to go and find out how you can go and leverage your website most of the time on front page of Google. It's not that easy. That's why people pay you to get your website on the front page of the website. There are a lot of things. I just showed you how you can go and make your website more and more in a free and best way. This is the paid tool, but you have other free tools which I taught you over here. So see you guys next time.